Gardening is a wonderful hobby. It is a joy to watch your food grow. Imagine fresh salads right from your garden. Homegrown vegetables taste better. It is satisfying to cook with your own produce. This guide will help you start your vegetable garden. It doesn't matter if you have a big yard or a small balcony. You can grow fresh food anywhere. We will cover everything you need to know. Let's begin our gardening adventure together. Before you plant, you need to prepare your soil properly. Think of it as making a comfortable bed for your plants to rest and grow. First, choose a sunny spot in your garden. Most vegetables need at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day to thrive. Next, loosen the soil with a shovel or a garden fork to break up any clumps. This helps the roots grow strong and deep, ensuring healthy plants. Now, it's time to add some essential nutrients to the soil. Compost or aged manure are excellent choices to enrich the soil. Mix them thoroughly into the soil, just like you would mix flour into a cake batter. Your soil is now ready for planting your favorite vegetables. You've created a cozy and nutrient-rich bed for your vegetables to thrive. In the next section, we'll discuss which vegetables are easiest to grow for beginners, ensuring a successful harvest. Let's talk about which vegetables are easiest to grow. Some vegetables are very beginner-friendly. These include lettuce, radishes, and spinach. They grow quickly and don't need much care. Tomatoes, cucumbers, and zucchini are also good choices. They need a little more space to grow. Beans and peas are fun to grow too. Kids love to pick them right off the vine. Don't be afraid to experiment with different vegetables. You can even start small with just a few pots on your patio. The most important thing is to have fun and enjoy the process. Section 4. Watering, weeding, and caring for your garden. Now that your vegetables are planted, they need your care. Watering is very important to keep them healthy and thriving. Water your garden regularly, especially when it's hot. Consistent watering ensures that your plants do not dry out. Water deeply in the morning. This helps the water reach the roots and provides the necessary hydration for the day. This helps the water reach the roots. Weeding is also important to maintain a healthy garden. Weeds compete with your vegetables for nutrients, water, and sunlight. Remove weeds regularly to help your vegetables grow strong. A weed-free garden allows your plants to flourish. You can pull them out by hand or use a small garden hoe. Both methods are effective in keeping your garden tidy. Keep an eye out for pests. Regular inspection can prevent infestations. Sometimes insects might try to eat your plants. They can cause significant damage if not controlled. Check your plants regularly for any signs of damage. Early detection is key to managing pests. You can often remove pests by hand or use a gentle soapy water spray. This method is safe and effective for most garden pests. Section 5. Harvesting and enjoying the fruits of your labor. The most exciting part of gardening is undoubtedly the harvesting process. This is the moment when you get to enjoy the fruits of your labor, quite literally. Each vegetable has its own unique signs of being ready for harvest. For example, you can pick zucchini when they are about 6 inches long, ensuring they are tender and flavorful. Tomatoes are ripe when they are a vibrant red and slightly soft to the touch, indicating peak ripeness. Lettuce and spinach can be harvested a few leaves at a time, allowing the plant to continue growing. Once you have harvested your vegetables, you can enjoy them fresh, straight from the garden. There's nothing quite like the taste of homegrown produce, bursting with flavor and nutrients. You can also share your bountiful harvest with friends and family, spreading the joy of gardening. Happy gardening and enjoy your fresh produce.